Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by securing the car and protecting paint. This matters because small movements will follow. First, open the bonnet and support it safely. Then inspect the latch, striker, and hinge bolts for looseness or corrosion. Once done, clean contact areas and tape the fender edges to prevent scratches. Now, slightly loosen hinge bolts, only a few turns, so you can shift the bonnet. This first action creates play. It's essential because the bonnet must move as you align it to the striker. You now refine the fit by adjusting hinge position and striker alignment. This is the complex part because two components interact. While one assistant holds the bonnet at your desired gap, make small hinge shifts and snug the bolts barely to hold position. Then test close slowly, feeling for smooth latch engagement and even gaps. If the bonnet meets the latch too early, back the striker out 1/8 turn and retest. Repeat small moves, don't rush, because micro adjustments translate to millimeter gap changes. You finish by locking the corrected positions, torque the hinge bolts to the manufacturer's spec, or use a conservative 10-15 Nm if unknown, then slowly close and open the bonnet several times to verify consistent gaps. Make minute striker adjustments if one side remains high, and set rubber stops to fine-tune final height. If gaps shift after tightening, insert a 0.5 mm shim under the hinge to determine whether hinge preload or striker position caused the move. Then correct that
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.